Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what you want to accomplish and why. This orients every word you'll say. Once chosen, pick a tone that fits the listener and the context, then start with a brief I statement that states your need. Use one concrete ask immediately so the listener knows the purpose. Make sure to pause after that ask to let it land. This first step sets the stage for clearer, shorter exchanges and prevents rambling before you get into details. You now shape the middle of your message. State one main point, then give two concise supports that explain why it matters. Use specifics, numbers, short examples, or a quick comparison so your words carry weight. Once done, slow your pace and ask a short check. Does that make sense? This invites feedback without derailing the flow. If they ask, answer briefly and return to your point. Make sure to vary sentence length to keep attention and guide comprehension. You finish by delivering a clear closing. Restate the main point and one next step with a deadline so both of you know what comes next. Watch the listener's face and posture. If they look puzzled, slow down and rephrase in plainer words. Once done, invite a short confirmation. Ask for a quick yes or a repeat back. If things go wrong, pause, acknowledge the issue, and offer one alternate phrasing to reset the exchange. This keeps the conversation productive and respectful.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.